Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the PlayStation error code CE-110541-2. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play DVD, Blu-ray, or 4K movie discs on their PS5. Some users shared that game discs work fine, but when they try to play movie discs, they receive this error. According to our research, the error is related to the disc being detected as invalid. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure the controls are all set to unrestricted. Then try playing the disc again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using a couple of old DVDs to see if the new movie disc was maybe defective. Simply insert different DVDs one by one and check if they play properly. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you should contact PlayStation support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.